In the past, the grid was fairly static and modifications to it were few and far between. Energy flowed from generation to transmission with less data points and digital devices. But today, the grid is becoming increasingly dynamic. With the introduction of renewable energy sources, digitalization, grid modernization, and new technologies, the grid is under pressure like never before. Changes to the grid are required more often, considering more data and with increasing complexity. Traditionally, the planning for grid changes starts many years in advance. To keep track of project files and changes over time, power system planners would maintain and store the various project files separately, using manual or homegrown processes. To run a simulation study considering all the different data sets, they would need to repetitively search and collect all the files each time, leading to workflow inefficiencies and model inaccuracies. Now, with time-based modeling in the PSS network model management tools, planners can efficiently and accurately plan for more grid changes at one time and deal with increasing complexity since all the necessary data is in one location. It starts with the base model, which represents the actual grid. Then, a project can be planned in different phases with incremental changes scheduled for a certain point in time. Engineers can quickly access the latest project files from the built-in central location to add new data as it becomes available, to run simulation studies, review past changes that are automatically tracked by the system, and update the base model. By eliminating manual steps, network planners can focus on planning grid changes that are technically feasible. Time-based modeling has lots of benefits. You can reduce the time spent searching for project data, easily plan, maintain, and track several projects over time, and increase the accuracy of simulation data and network models. A dynamic grid requires a powerful tool to support the work and the decisions you make today so that future projects are successful. Time-based modeling in the PSS network model management tools will do just that.